How to search Reels on Instagram. To get started, first of all, you need to open the Instagram application on your phone. It will then take you to the home page of Instagram. Now, from this page, tap on the search icon from the bottom panel. Then, type in the keyword in the search bar right over here. Once you're done, just press enter. Then you will find all the posts and reels related to that keyword in this For You section. Tap on any of the reels from here that you find interesting. If you don't want to see anything other than reels, then tap on this Reels section over here to only see reels in the results. So, by following these easy steps, you can search any reels on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.